Pang pinali yun. Si Valero Mama pang pinali ko. Saan susubukit? Pang pinali yan si Valero. Ayaw na mamumot yung mga big. Alright here. Thumb finger and the index finger. You look, when you have to open, these are very strong to open the mouth of the patient. Understand? Alright, open. Like that. Open. Alright. Then place your mouth over the mouth of the leading place that I Alright. Medyo lang. Alright, here. After that, you have. Alright, here.